For amazing jewelry designs and seller info, subscribe to latest jewelry designs. Press the bell icon for more updates.
Hi friends, today we'll be looking at polki diamond neckwear. This centuries old style is made with uncut natural diamonds mined directly from the earth. Polki diamonds do not undergo lab enhancements. Instead, they are set in the jewelry as is. Designers continue to use this style in earrings, necklaces, bracelets, and hair accessories. If unique is what you're looking for, polki is your answer, as no two pieces are alike. Envision a time of grandeur and royalty, a time when appreciation for painting, literature, textiles, and architecture was at an all time high in India. That was the Mughal era and the time when polki jewelry skyrocketed in popularity. The traditional regal style was a symbol of wealth and royalty. This style has truly stood the test of time as modern women continue to wear polki jewelry. It is still sought after, particularly by brides who want a classically elegant style on their wedding day. And with modern takes from fashion jewelry designers like Asta Jagwani, there is no shortage of stunning options. When it comes to design, this traditional Indian jewelry comes in many different shapes and styles. Polki jewelry often features minakari and enamel designs, but the diamonds also look great with sapphires, emeralds, and rubies. So, friends, let's not wait any longer and look at all the beautiful polki diamond necklace designs. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Latest Jewelry Designs, and hit the bell icon for more updates.